How's everybody stand up? Today, we will be like chicken. Okay, I'm going to teach you the chicken dance. Okay, everybody follow after me. Okay. This one, follow me. Do this one. Everybody dance. Everybody dance.
ทำเลยลูกทำท่า
Okay, everybody dance. The beak of the bird. Okay, ready? Everybody dance. Come on. Do this one. 2, 3, 4. Again, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the wings of the chicken. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, hello. And do this one. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And do the clap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again.
1, 2, 3, 4 1, 2, 3, 4 1, 2, 3, 4 2, 3, 4
And after that, you choose your partner and do the elbow to elbow. This one, no, that one. You do like this and you reverse. Okay? Okay. Everybody, are you ready? Students, are you ready?
พร้อมไหมพร้อมไหมเด็กๆพร้อมไหมพร้อม
Are you ready? Okay, let's dance. Okay, can you play